The Moon by Karen Jones. If you look up to the sky on a clear night, you can usually spot Earth's moon. A moon is a body in space that orbits a planet or asteroid. Most of the planets in our solar system have moons that orbit them. What is our moon made of, and how did it form? The moon is not made of cheese. Our moon is a ball of rock that is covered in mountains, craters, and hardened lava. Scientists think that the moon formed billions of years ago when another planet crashed into Earth. The crash caused pieces of hot rock to get thrown into orbit around Earth, and eventually these pieces of rock all melted together to become the moon. Have people ever visited the moon? The first humans landed on the moon in 1969. Neil Armstrong was the first astronaut to set foot on the moon. He and Buzz Aldrin exited the Apollo 2 spacecraft and spent a few hours walking around the moon's surface. They put up an American flag and a sign and took some samples of rock and dust. Does the moon glow? On certain nights, the moon appears bright in the sky. It appears to be glowing. The moon itself does not glow, though. The moon appears lit in the sky because it's reflecting light from the sun. Without the moon, or without the sun, the moon would always be dark. How does the moon affect Earth? Have you ever gone to a beach and watched the ocean water move in and out? We call the movement of ocean water tides. Earth's tides are caused by the moon. The moon's gravity pulls the water on Earth in different directions at different times of day. What are the circles on the moon's surface? The surface of the moon is covered in craters. Craters look like circles from far away, but they are really places where a comet or asteroid has crashed into its surface. Smaller asteroids create smaller craters, and larger ones have created huge craters on the moon's surface. Why does the moon have so many craters? Our planet Earth has an atmosphere that protects it from asteroids or meteorites. An atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds a planet. When an asteroid or a smaller meteorite flies through space towards Earth, the gases in our atmosphere usually cause it to burn up. Most of them never hit the Earth's surface. The moon has no atmosphere to protect it. Asteroids, comets, and meteorites crash into the moon and leave craters behind. Why does the moon seem to move across the sky at night? Every evening, the moon appears to move across the night sky, similar to how the sun seems to move across the sky during the daytime. This pattern happens every night when the moon is visible. The moon rises in the east and appears to move across the sky to the west. Here are some cool facts about the moon. These are Buzz Aldrin's footprints on the moon. Since the moon has no atmosphere, it has no weather and no air. Because of this, the craters that exist on the moon right now will remain there for millions or billions of years. In fact, astronauts' footprints still remain on the moon's surface almost 50 years later because there is no wind or rain to wash them away. Did you know that we only ever see one side of the moon? That's because Earth and the moon rotate at about the same speed. The side of the moon that we always see is called the near side, and the side that we never see is called the far side. Next time you are outside at nighttime, look up. See if you can spot the moon and its craters. The moon is a very interesting place. What do you know about the moon?